In the class we explained about a simple future and that too simple future లో పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఏంటి, పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ కింద ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి, నెగటివ్ లో క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అండ్ పాజిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, ఇంటర్చేంజింగ్ ఎలా అనేది ఈరోజు క్లాస్ లో అయితే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఆఫ్ దిస్
She will not stay long. Negative sentence.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెగటివ్ క్వశ్చన్?
Will she not stay long?
వెరీ గుడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాజిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్?
Will she stay long?
Very good. I will speak English.
I will not speak English. Will I speak English? Won't I speak English? Say. I will not say. Will I say? Will I not say?
Your sentence is?
I will attend the meeting.
What is the negative sentence?
I will not attend the meeting.
Very good. What is the positive question?
Will I attend the meeting?
Okay. What is the negative question?
Will I not attend the meeting?
Or else we can say it as?
Won't I attend the meeting?
Very good. Done. Won't I attend the meeting?
Go there.
He will go there. Okay. Convert it into negative sentence.
He will not go there.
Very good. What is the negative question?
He will not go there.
No, it's wrong. Negative question లో మనకి ఏం రావాలి ఫస్ట్?
Will he not go there?
గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Will he not go there?
Very good. And positive question?
Will he go there?
Very good. What is your sentence?
I will try again.
Okay, give it in negative.
I will try again.
Negative.
I will
నెగటివ్ కదా, అంటే మనం కాదు లేదని చెప్పాలి. లేదు కాదు అని చెప్పాలన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం యూస్ చేయాలి?
I will not again.
వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ నెగటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫామ్ చేయి.
Will I
నాట్
try again?
వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ పాజిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పు.
I will
నో, మనకి హెల్పింగ్ యాక్షన్ ఫస్ట్ రావాలని చెప్పాను కదా. విల్
I
try again. Very good. Nice. Go. What is your name?
My name is Shivardhan.
Okay, I am giving you the sentence. I will help. Okay, so convert it into negative sentence.
I will not help you.
I will not help you. Very good. Convert it into negative question.
Will I not help you?
Very good. And give it in a positive question.
Will I help you?
Very good. Nice. Go, Abita. And your sentence is, I will call tomorrow. Convert it into negative.
Negative. Negative sentence. I will not call to tomorrow.
I will not call you tomorrow. Okay, right. What is the positive question?
Question. Will I call to tomorrow?
Will I call you tomorrow? Nice, very good. And what is the negative question?
Will I not call to tomorrow?
Very good. టూ అనేది రాకూడదు. టూ అనేది లేదు అసలు అక్కడ. నీకు 2 ఏళ్ళు బాగా అలవాటు అయిపోయినాయి. నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఇట్స్ గుడ్. భవిత. అండ్ యువర్ సెంటెన్స్ ఈస్ షీ విల్ జాయిన్ ద క్లాస్. ఓకే, కన్వర్ట్ ఇట్ ఇంటూ నెగటివ్ క్వశ్చన్.
Will she join the class?
Negative question.
Will she not join the class?
Very good. And what is the negative sentence?
Will she join the class?
Negative sentence.
She will join the class.
Will she not? Kada? Will she not join the class kada? Or won't she join the class anali? Okay na? Done. What is your name?
My name is Danyata.
Okay, Danyata. Your sentence is, they will finish the work. Convert it into negative question.
Will they not finish the work?
Very good. Convert it into positive question.
Will they finish the work?
Very good. And give it into negative sentence.
They will not finish the work.
Very good. Done. What is your name?
My name is Arjun.
So your sentence is I will agree. Convert it into negative sentence.
I will not agree.
Very good. Convert it into positive question.
Will I agree?
Will I agree? Very good. Convert it into negative question.
Will I not agree?
Very good. Done.